7 things you can do to boost your confidence right now. Confidence is a funny thing. When we have it, we tend not to think about it. We simply go out and do things. We probably don't even realize just how amazing some of those things are. But when confidence has taken a sharp blow, suddenly everything becomes more difficult. Even getting started on something so simple as a new project or talking to a stranger can seem daunting. The world becomes a much more complicated and difficult place. So if you're needing confidence, you're in the right place. Read on to find out about some things you can do to boost your confidence right now. Make a list. Caught up in a spiral of thinking you never do anything right? Defeat the blah blues by making a list of everything you've accomplished. You'll very likely be pleasantly surprised to find out just how capable you are. Learn stuff. Nothing makes you feel more confident than having the feeling you know what you're doing. With this in mind, become an expert somewhere. How about learning to make the best mixed drinks? Take up a hobby you've been thinking about forever, or get a skill certification at your local community college. Dress the part. When you look your best, you can't help but feel confident. Always wear clothing that makes you feel like $1,000,000. Understand your belief system. Do you hold certain moral or religious beliefs? Having your values questioned has a way of demoralizing even the most confident person. On the other hand, having a clear understanding about what you believe will give you the confidence to share these beliefs with those around you. Do what scares you. Nothing builds confidence more than achieving something you previously thought was beyond your capabilities. Dare to do something you've never thought you'd do. For some, that might be something super adventurous like skydiving. For others, even talking to a stranger can be terrifyingly daunting. Be inspired. Feeling like you can achieve what you want to do? Find books, videos, or documentaries on people who have done something similar. Confidence comes from knowing what you want in life is possible. If they can do it, you can too. Analyze your actions. Feeling like you've been making nothing but the wrong decisions? It's hard to feel confident when your moral compass is taking a beating. Ask yourself if your actions are in keeping with what you believe. If not, something needs to change before you can be your confident self again. In all of this, remember the most important thing is to be true to yourself. You'll never feel confident if you're caught up in trying to be something you're not. Be true to you first and foremost. The rest will follow.